I am Koner Kishore, studied in the Koner Lakshmaya College of Engineering once, now at present KLU, in 81 batch. It is the second batch of our college. It is now, in 88 I started my own industry. In 87, 1 year I worked for some other private company. In 88 I started my industry. Now we are manufacturing the pistons and connecting rod which will be used in refrigerator compressors. We are supplying to LG Electronics, Godrej, OEM product, original equipment manufacturers. We are supplying since last 20 years. We have in our organization nearly about 100 people are working, 100 employees. We are giving, it is a very proud that I am giving employment for around 100 people instead of doing somewhere. Actually, I started my career very young age, that is at the age of 23 years. Initially, we faced a lot of struggle to establish, because we are the first generation entrepreneur in our family. As a first generation entrepreneur, we struggled a lot to learn first how to do the business. Okay, after doing the business, after starting the business, up and downs, so many we faced. But everybody, my suggestion is, we have to struggle and we have to stand until we succeed. That is the main motto as an entrepreneur everybody should have. I want the information for all the people who are our alumni people, what they are doing, because it helps us to improve everybody's business and understanding each one and each other. It helps a lot as per my opinion. That's why I came to this place. It helps to each and everybody by knowing our own family. This is all our own family, alumni of KLU. It will help a lot to each and everybody by knowing each and every person, by professional and by personal also. As a alumni university, we want to motivate the people to the new generation people by modeling our experience, by sharing our experiences. It will help to the new generation for motivating and to start up the new businesses. Everybody has to start instead of doing the employment, instead of searching for the employment, we can start our own business and we can give the employment some minimum quantity, 100 or 200. So many entrepreneurs, my friends are there who are giving the more employments. Nearly thousands of people are working with our alumni entrepreneurs. As a student, we have a lot of memories. We are in our college, a lot of mischiefs we done, lot of we've done with all people. Whenever we met all our old people, we are meeting nearly our batch regularly, nearly after 40 years. After 40 years also we are meeting occasionally to every year 2-3 times. We will memorize the old incidents, what they have done in a college period. We cannot get back those days. But it is a very sweet, memorable days which we cannot get back. Only by memory, by thinking only we can enjoy the moments. In any entrepreneurship, there will be a lot of struggle, but we should not leave, we should not jump each and every. Consistently, we have to run any business or whatever it may be. We should be in one direction. We have to select the direction before entering that, and after that we have to stick for that. Success will automatically come, but it may be delay, it may be time, it may take some time, but we should not get any disappointment.
KL, deemed to be university.
We are future ready.